Welcome to your own YouTube channel, Speak of Israel. It's been really long time since I have not uploaded a single video. Don't worry, I have come up with an amazing topic today. Some of you might have been thinking, what did I exactly bring for you today? So the most important part, as you can see on thumbnail, the psychology behind appearance. In a few moments, we're gonna start what psychology says about appearance and how it could affect your life as well. So be careful while watching this video because this video is going to change your life. Watch till the end because half learning is dangerous. Have you ever wondered why first impressions are so powerful? Why within just a few seconds someone can form an opinion about you, an opinion that can stick for a lifetime. Today, we are diving deep into the psychology behind appearance to uncover the science and secrets behind how we perceive and are perceived by others. Number one, the importance of appearance in first impression. Our brains are wired to make quick judgment. In fact, studies have shown that we form first impression within just 7 seconds of meeting someone. Think about that. 7 seconds? Really? Yes. And in those moments, the way you look, we look, or I look, dress and carry ourselves, yourselves, on myself can speak volumes. Yes, even before we open our mouths, in just 7 seconds, people can come to know who you are. And why does this happen? We need to know a bit history about it. Well, it goes back to evolution. Our ancestors needed to make quick assessments to determine whether someone was a friend or foe, a threat or an ally. The survival mechanism still exists today. When you meet someone new, your brain is subconsciously asking, can I trust this person? Are you confident? Are they capable? And let's be honest, appearance plays a big role in answering these questions. It's not just about vanity, it's about how our brain are programmed to process visual cases. So, have you ever wondered that your mind is asking few questions to you and to yourself that should you trust this person? And it is the reality that it's very hard for you to trust somebody in a first meeting, right? It does not happen in this way. So, within 7 seconds, people can judge you, and people can judge you the way you look even without opening your mouth. Number two, I would like to discuss how appearance impacts perception and success. Let's look at some real world examples. Imagine two people walking into a job interview. One is dressed in a sharp tailored suit and the other is casual jeans and a t-shirt. Who do you think leaves a better impression? Most of us would instinctively say the person in the suit. And that's not just opinion, it's really backed by research. Studies have shown that people who dress well and present themselves confidently are perceived as more professional, competent, and even more trustworthy. Employers, clients, and even strangers are more likely to take them seriously. But it's not just about clothing, grooming, posture, and even facial expressions play a role. A warm smile or confident handshake can make someone feel at ease, while slouched shoulders or a frown might give off the wrong impression. So, the power of confidence and authenticity. But here's something even more important than appearance confidence. You could wear the most expensive outfit in the world, but if you don't carry yourself with confidence, it won't matter. Confidence is magnetic, it draws people in. And here's, here's the good news, confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about being comfortable and in your own skin. It's about wearing what makes you feel good and presenting yourself in a way that align with your true self. For example, have you ever noticed how someone's energy can light up a room? That energy often comes from self-assurance, and self-assurance starts with taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally. Number four, the pitfalls of judging by appearance alone. It's a very important point, you should not skip it. Now, it's important to acknowledge that while appearance matter, it's not everything. Judging someone solely on their looks can lead to biases and stereotypes. For example, someone might dress casually but be incredibly skilled and intelligent, or someone might look polished but lack integrity. As much as appearance influences first impression, we must remind ourselves to dig deeper, and truly understand the person behind the image. Appearance is just the cover of the book, it does not tell the whole story. That means it's a very famous say that is, do not judge a book by its cover. So, what's the takeaway here? Your appearance is a tool, it's a way to express who you are and to put your best foot forward. And just put your best foot forward, but remember, it's not just about how you look, it's about how you feel. Confidence, authenticity, and a positive attitude are what truly leave a lasting impression. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the psychology behind appearance. If you found this insightful, with this video very insightful, share with somebody who might benefit, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, take care of yourself inside and out. Goodbye.